Alrighty, welcome to Ballroom Feed. My name is Lindsay.
And I'm Chris.
Today we're going to be talking about what is Viennese Waltz or V-Waltz. So, fun fact about our version of V-Waltz is it is a single time Viennese Waltz, which means it's a little different than your classic Viennese Waltz or V-Waltz if you have any knowledge of that dance before. So basically the song is at a 3/4 timing, which means it's counted 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If you know waltz, a lot of people are familiar than waltz. It is a faster version of that, or the song tempo is faster than a normal waltz. So what we did is we took out the 2, 3 in most aspects and just held a 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. or 1 hold, 2 holds to make it a little more intimate and romantic and not so frantic and fast, which if you're new to dancing, it can be. So just a little bit about that. So great thing about V-Waltz is there's so many amazing songs perfect for first dances and father-daughter dances, even some mother-son ones. So let's chat about those.
Some of the most popular Viennese Waltz slow dance songs are Perfect by Ed Sheeran, which is also a Foxy, and Can't Help Falling in Love with You, Elvis Presley, and most popular, 1,000 Years by Christina Perri.
Another thing about the V-Waltz is it does have the ability to travel and take up a whole room if you have a bigger space, and it also has the ability to stay in one stationary area if you have a smaller floor. So it's very versatile, and it's just a little different option for you if you like the moves better here than you do Foxy. So that's why you can kind of have some options for your first dance and instead of just being stuck to one dance. So that's just a little bit about the V-Waltz, and I think that about covers it.
We did it.
Alright, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you very soon.
I used to I used to